Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 13th July 2025. Title of Murli. With your love for God, make your stage of complete purity such that there is no name or trace of waste. Bap Dada said, the foundation of this Brahman birth is total purity. This is the stage that the Father likes in his heart. So, there should not be even the slightest trace of impurity in your thoughts and dreams. In terms of total purity, even having wasteful thoughts is not perfection. Check whether pride and insult of your royal form are attacking you in the form of wasteful thoughts. Neither should there be pride nor disrespect. Always remain in self-respect. Further, Bap Dada said, never become dependent on the mind. Become the master of this mind and live as a master of your own self. If you do not run your mind with orders, then because it is fickle, it controls you. You have the reins of Srimad, so do not loosen the reins. If your mastership diminishes, weak sanskars emerge. Remember, weak sanskars are a Ravan's property. Do not call them mine. The sanskars of the Father are my sanskars. Finally, Baba said, now, according to the time, Bap Dada wants to see the star of fortune shining on the forehead of every child. Whoever sees you should see your fortunate form from your face and behavior, then the Father will be revealed. Blessing for today. May you be a special soul who gives the experience of liberation and liberation in life in a second with the power of silence. Details are: the last specialty of special souls is to enable other souls to experience liberation and liberation in life in a second. They would not just show the path, but would give the experience of peace and supersensuous joy in a second. The experience of liberation in life is happiness, and the experience of liberation is peace. So, whoever comes in front of you, enable them to experience these in a second. When you have such a speed, they will all see the victory of silence over science, and the sound of Vah, Vah will emerge from everyone's lips, and scenes of revelation will appear in front of you. Slogan is, become true moths who surrender yourselves to every order of the Father. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. Just as you now have to give directions with words, in the same way, all the activities can be carried out with elevated thoughts. Scientists are able to receive directions from Earth down below whilst they are up in space. So, can you, with the power of elevated thoughts, not carry out all the activities? Just as they clarify things by speaking about them, so, as you progress further, all your activities will be carried out with thoughts in the same way. Accumulate a stock of elevated thoughts in this way.